Hey, okay, so what we're doing now is we are adding insulation into the walls. We've already cut some pieces. I'll show you those. What we're actually using is a rock wool, and it comes in packets like so. And basically we just have to cut it to size for the size of the wall panels. You can see it compressed right now, but once you open it up, it starts to open out. So yeah, it's mineral wool, and it's got a high R value. It's really good for sound dampening, which is great for keeping the space quieter, as it will contain a recording studio. All right, so these ones are pre-cut, and they all gonna go in the walls like this. And then we'll be putting some down in this cavity as well. Okay, so getting the insulation in the lower part of the wall is kind of tricky. And so what we're doing is we're taking this thin sheet of whatever it is, plywood, and putting it in here. And then taking this, here, and then taking the insulation and pressing it down, which I'm not too happy about doing, but it's kind of a necessary evil. Pressing it in. The reason we're doing this is because there's nails, there's like screws coming in from the other side. And so if we were just to try and push this down, it would get all ripped and torn up and wouldn't go down because there are screws in there. So this board is kind of blocking the screws. So you might be wondering why we can't just take those screws out. Well, because on the outside they are rivets. So we would have to go with the angle grinder on each and every one, which would be way too much. So instead, we're getting the insulation in like this. Wasn't focusing. Alright, so now we get the other piece.